Hello everyone. This video is about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means that to select a cell based on their content, or we can use a formula which cell to format. We will go from basic to advanced and we will explain you all the data, all the rules related to conditional formatting. Let's start. Our first example is that we would like, for example, we have a list of data and we want to select just format those cells which are greater than 80. Okay, we want just to select those which are greater than 80. Let's first of all, I will show to you this. Come here, select your data, come here to the conditional formatting. After that, come here to the first option, and then the first option is greater than. Select this one. After selecting it, now we will specify here 80. And here you can change the background color or the text color. For example, I want you to just you can custom format also yellow fill with dark color. Okay, press OK. So we have selected those values which are greater than 80. This was the first rule. And also in the first this conditional formatting, in the first chapter here you have all these rules. Okay, right now we learned about greater than. You can use less than. For example, less than 80, select those. Between, for example, between 40 and 80. Equal to, for example, equal to 80. Text that contains, select those text for the text. Okay, it contains a text that you specify. A date, duplicate values, and other rules. These are rules you can specify. As we learned the first one, these are the same. Just try them. Now let's move to the second one. Above average, for example, we want to find the above the average. Select those cells which are above from the average. The average of these cells, these values are 42, I think. Come here to the conditional formatting. Now come here to the second one. In the second one, we have these options. Top 10 items. If you select this one, so it will select you the top 10 values. Top 10 based on percentage. It will select you based on percentage. Bottom 10 items. It will select you in your data bottom. It means from the bottom side, the top 10 values. And bottom 10% based on percentage. And after above average, for example, we want to select above average and below average. Right now we want to apply above average. Let's select this. So it will, here you can change the format. Okay, it will select those cells which are above the average. The average is 42. So now it has selected all the above average values for us. If you change the value, for example, this to 80, press enter, so that will be automatically changed. 80 has changed. Like, for example, make it 90. So that has changed directly. So why this video has changed? Okay, this video and also this one, because the average has changed. Now the average, if I show to you, the average will be greater than 42. Okay, before that was 42. Now let's check the average. So now the average is 58 because we entered 50, 80 and 90 values. So the average has increased. That's why this value has changed. Now come here to another. Now we would like to use the formula. Based on formula, we want to format our data. Let's now first of all select our data. Come here to the conditional formatting and come here to this new rules. Okay, new rules. Press this button icon and come here down. Here at the last we have use a formula to determine which cells to format. Select this one. Here now we want to add our formula. So let's, for example, we want to use the formula just to select the odd values. So for that we will write the formula equal to is odd. Open the parenthesis. We will write specify the first cell A1. Let's write here A1. Close it and now let's format it. The cell we would like to apply this color like this one. Press OK and press OK. So all those cell has changed the color which are greater, which are odd. Okay, 77, 33, 59, 99, 97, 41. So all odd cell has been selected for us. So we have just selected the A1. So the formula will apply and the second one also. Okay, it will go through all this data, the odd formula that we have applied. So now let's move to the for example, use another formula. Okay, we want to just select format those rows which contains, for example, USA. Okay, based those rows which contains USA, we will format those rows. So let's select our data, conditional formatting, new rule. enter our rule, is equal to, now here we will write, because we want to use the country column, so I will specify $C. It means uh, absolute, make it the column is absolute, the column will not change. C 2 is equal to with USA, and let's format it, and we would like to apply green color. Okay, it's okay. So all those rows which contains USA will format. If we change this value, it will automatically also change the format. So it is all about conditional formatting. You can explore it, and you can in turn which type of formatting you want, so you can use that, and also the formula that you want. So it was all about the conditional formatting. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked, so please subscribe our YouTube channel and also like this video, comment down. Thanks for watching.